How to change residential address in Binance. Everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can change your residential address in your Binance. So, changing your residential address in Binance or leading cryptocurrency exchange involves updating your account detail to reflect the new address. So, here is the step-by-step guide on how you can change your residential address in your Binance. First of all, open up your Binance app on your mobile device, or you can visit to the Binance website too. And after that, you have to log in it with your email address and password. Just go and log in with your email address and password here. And you have to continue with your account. Once you have the login to your Binance account, here you can see the KYC setting. You have to complete your identity here. Just go navigate to your profile, which is on the top right corner of the screen. Once you are here, you have to tap on the setting icon and you will see the KYC here. So you can see the action required. Just go for the action required here. So Binance requires KYC verification for users who want to change certain details such as residential address. So you have to choose your country to change your residential address. After that, so once you are on your document verification, let's go for the document type that you want to upload and go for the upload existing one here. So you have to upload here your ID card. After uploading your document, just go and tap on the continue option here. And here you can see that you have to go for the liveness sake. Just go and tap on the continue option and go for the while using this app. So after verifying or updating your KYC here on your Binance, so if you want to go for the residential change here, you have to just go and tap on the account or profile. And under your account or profile here, you have to navigate to the identification. Just tap on your identification. And under your identification, there is where all KYC know your confirmation customer is information is stored here. So here you can see that I have already verified my KYC here. So if you want, so here that is ongoing and on verified here, you can see that. So here you have to look for the option of personal detail or address here. So if you find out, you can enter your new residential address in the provided field. So Binance may require you to submit a proof of your address document to verify your new address, like bank statement, utility bills, etc. After entering your new address and uploading necessary document, you have to click on the submit option. So with the help of this video, you will know about how you can change your residential address in your Binance. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.